Aloha, welcome to another tutorial for CIS 101. In this video, we're going to actually look at using Perl to generate our web pages instead of simply typing in text. So this is the page we've already created. We've got hello world, my name is Aaron Curtis, and we inserted an image. If we go back, we review, we look at the text that we've written, and I type this in. Now, that's great, and as I said before, if you enroll in IT 240, you can learn a lot more about how to create web pages using static text like this. But what we're interested in is actually using Perl to generate this kind of code for us depending on the output of the program. So the first thing we need to do is we're going to open up Notepad++, and I'm going to create a program, a basic program. I'm going to save this in my CIS 101 folder, and I'm going to create a new folder and call it Hippo. And I'm going to create a file called hippo.pl. Okay? And the purpose of hippo.pl is to print hippo 5 times. Okay? Let me turn off my auto completion here. Okay. Okay, so we got print. Hold on. Okay, so I'll click preferences, auto completion, uncheck that for now. Okay, print hippo 5 times. So I'm going to print hippopotamus. I'll just print hippo. And each one on a new line. So I'll take that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So if I save this now, and I open up my command line, and I say Perl hippo.pl, I get hippo 5 times here. Okay? And so that's a very, very simple program. But what we want to do now is print this inside of the web page. So what we can do is we can take this text, copy it, and we'll go back to our cPanel file manager. I'm going to create a new folder here called Hippo. And in Hippo, I'm going to create a new file called index.cgi. Okay, CGI stands for Common Gateway Interface. And I am going to go into Code Editor. I'm going to edit this, and I'm going to paste this in here. Okay. Now this isn't quite enough. We need 2 more lines of code. One of them specifies where the Perl program is on the web server, and the other one tells us that we're going to be printing the output as an HTML document. So I'm going to pull those lines from your textbook, and on page 46 of the second edition of the Introduction to Programming Using Perl book, we find here's our code, print hippopotamus with a new line. But then here's our 2 lines that we need to add, and we can pretty much just copy that and paste it right there. So once we do that, we'll save the changes, and now I'm going to go to my Hippo folder, and I have an internal server error. That's because I need to set the permissions. So I'm going to go back to my file manager, click change permissions, and check these 3 boxes at the bottom. So this is 755. Once I do that, I should be able to refresh, and I have hippo, 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 hippo. So now I've created a Perl program that prints output that can be displayed in a web browser. Go ahead and try this on your own, and happy coding.